Gen Z has no respect. You've seen it, I've seen it, it's everywhere. Comment sections, random videos, group chats full of people shaking their heads, same sentence over and over. And every time I see it, I ask myself the same question. Is that actually true? Do Gen Z people really not respect anyone? Today, I'm answering that properly, no sugarcoating, and I promise you, by the end of this, you're gonna see it completely differently. So here's my honest answer. No, I don't think Gen Z lacks respect. I think Gen Z has plenty of it, it's just selective. They respect certain people for certain reasons, and it almost always comes down to one thing: how they were treated. Respect isn't automatic just because you're older, or you've got a bigger title, or you've been somewhere longer. It's earned based on how you actually treat them as a person. That might sound controversial. Stick with me because I've got a story that explains it perfectly. So picture this. A factory just opened up hiring, and most of the people recruited were young. Gen Z, fresh into the workforce, some of them on their very first real job ever. Now, as new employees, it's completely normal for them to make mistakes early on. Every single human being on this planet has messed something up before, right? Nobody walks in on day one and does it perfectly. That's just not how learning works for anyone. And that's exactly where the senior workers come in, the ones who've been there the longest, who already know every machine, every process, every rule inside out. As a senior, someone who already knows the technical side of the job inside and out, it's your job to teach these new workers properly. And here's the interesting part. Some of these Gen Z employees pick things up fast. They listen, they understand quickly, they follow the rules exactly as shown. But not all of them are like that, and that's completely fine, because not everyone learns at the same pace. Some are going to struggle. Some are going to mess up the process a few times before they get it right. That's not a character flaw. That's just what being new looks like. Quick pause. If this is hitting close to home, whether you're a senior at work or you're Gen Z yourself, do me a favor and hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this reach more people who need to hear it. And subscribe while you're at it, because I talk about stuff like this all the time, and I'd love to have you back for the next one. All right, let's get back into it. Here's the key difference between a good senior and a bad one. A good senior doesn't scold someone once and walk away. A good senior stays. They sit with that mistake, explain it again, patiently, as many times as it takes, until the person actually understands. That patience is what builds trust. And once trust is built, respect follows on its own. It's not forced, it's not demanded, it just happens, because that person now sees you as someone who actually cares about them, not just someone waiting to criticize. Now, flip it. You treat these new workers like they're beneath you, you yell over every small mistake, you treat them like they're disposable, like servants, not people. What happens then? You lose. You will never get their respect. Not now, not ever. Respect can't be forced out of someone by being harsh or cold. The second you make someone feel small on purpose, they stop respecting you. They just tolerate you until they can leave. So when people say Gen Z has no respect, I think what they're actually seeing is Gen Z refusing to give respect to people who haven't earned it. Honestly, I don't think that's disrespect. I think that's boundaries. Older generations were often taught that respect is automatic no matter how you're treated in return. Gen Z grew up differently, shaped by different conversations around mental health and fairness. They're not rejecting respect, they're just applying it differently, based on actions and character, not age or job title. So here's my advice. If you're in any kind of senior position at work, a factory floor, an office, anywhere, treat your Gen Z coworkers as equals. Treat them like friends, not subordinates. Lead with patience, not criticism. And I promise you, you will be respected by them for as long as you work together. Respect was never really about age. It's always been about how you treat the people around you. So what do you think? Should respect be earned or should it be automatic no matter what? Tell me your honest take in the comments. I really want to hear different sides of this. If this changed how you see the whole Gen Z respect debate, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe for more honest takes like this, and share it with someone who needs it. maybe a manager, a coworker, or maybe even yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.